Back at it again, part 2 of the hike. Today we're at Ladybird Park, having a great time. The trees here are just ridiculous. Like, you heard of redwoods and you kind of heard how big they are, but until you're actually here, you kind of don't realize how massive these trees are. I mean, it's honestly incredible. And just how old they are, you just have to think about the history behind it, and just incredible.
Getting lost outside in the cold, we faded, outdated.
Literally, how big it is. It's like a bedroom in here. I think, like, you don't think nature is kind of your MO? It's when you come out and you see something like this, it kind of changes your whole perspective on it, you know? Like a little city boy like me, coming out here, man, this is incredible. Just seeing how amazing nature is, you know? It's cliche, man, but it's legit. Like, it's cool, man. It kind of takes your breath away. God's creation, you know what I mean? Insane.
Slow down, yeah. We got time to split up, ain't no.
It's absolutely quiet, incredible views, and so peaceful just being out here. I so detox, you know, away from big city kind of thing, you know. Loving it, man. Incredible, just loving it. Good vibes, baby. Good vibes only, baby.
Tell me more about the way you're loving. Taking off, it's 3 a.m. in the morning.